everybody! I don't know what video this introduction will be for. However, I wanted to do at least one introduction whilst I'm on vacation or holiday in Hawaii. And right now I am sitting on the grounds of the Dole pineapple plantation, and there's a couple of roosters behind me. I just had a Dole whip earlier for lunch. I had some delicious coconut shrimp, and I saw green sea turtles, and I am sunburned. I forgot to wear my sunscreen. What an idiot. Anyway, I just spoke with my dad and the rest of the family, and he's having a wonderful vacation with his cousins and his little big brother Bentley. He's living his best life in Australia right now whilst I'm on vacation. So whatever this video is for, I don't know yet. However, I hope you enjoy it. Bye!